So what's more important than the writing in a nonfiction book proposal? The concept is more important, particularly if there's some intellectual property in there. Are you presenting something, an idea, a process, a method that hasn't been talked about before, that hasn't been shown before? That is more important than having amazing writing. Also, the numbers, your platform, your audience, demonstrating that you actually have some followers and some sense of people out there who will listen to you that you've already built. That is much more persuasive than good writing. So you need to make a strong case backed with evidence, the numbers of who your readership is, and also of your expertise. Who are you to write this book? How do you know what you know? How will you get people to listen to you? What's your authority? Those are the things that are particularly important with writing a nonfiction book. If you're talking about a narrative nonfiction book, such as Cheryl Strayed's Wild, then it needs to be entertaining. And actually, you're probably looking at a presentation or a pitch for that book that's more akin to writing a novel. Because actually, when it comes to narrative nonfiction, a memoir or based on your experience, then the style of writing is really important. Listening to any advice about nonfiction and fiction, if you're writing narrative nonfiction, then you're better off listening to the advice given for fiction writers, because you're actually writing a story rather than a how-to or methodology book.